Hey everybody, welcome and thank you for joining me and the sidekicks for another video. So Wyatt's here, we're outside, it's afternoon so it could get noisy, you never know what's going to happen. Zena's here too. She is gnawing on a busy bone, so we'll let her go for right now, which she just dropped. Oh no, she's so silly. I have a unboxing for you. It is Stitch Fix. My Stitch Fix box came. Love Stitch Fix. You guys probably know the drill already. If you've watched my videos, you know Stitch Fix is a styling service. $20 styling fee. You get 5 items. You fill out a profile. You get a stylist. Hopefully you love your stylist. And you get a box as frequently as you want. I get mine as frequently as possible, which is like supposed to be 2 to 3 weeks, but it pretty much comes every 3 weeks on the dot. I recently got a new stylist, so she's still trying to get used to me. I lost Jess, who I loved. So I have a new stylist who is trying her best to get me things that I love. As soon as you get your box and open it, right inside it tells you what to do next in case you are unsure, but it's pretty simple. Right inside your box you do get, here's what it looks like. So you get an envelope to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. And then you get another envelope, and inside here has your notes from your stylist and your pricing sheet and some ideas for how to wear your outfits. And it looks like I got 2 bundles here, shoes and a clothing bundle. Fun. Here's my clothing bundle. And here's my shoes. What to look at first. Alright, so what are we going to open first? You want to do the bundle first? Zena's finished her busy bone. She wants to say hi now. You ready to say hi? Let's go over here. Alright, Wyatt's in her spot, which annoys her to no end. He moved over to her spot. Ooh, first up, pretty pattern. This is pretty. So this is by Verse. And this is a pretty tank top. I love palm tree prints, you guys can tell, right? That's pretty in the purples. And then check out the back. I wonder if that's reversible. That's pretty. Does it say? Nope, it says Caril back detail top. So that part is meant to be in the back. I almost feel like you could still reverse it. That's pretty. Alright, next up. This is by Skies Are Blue. This is the Aza Modal Knit Blazer. So this is very soft. And the color is pretty. It looks blush to me. I don't know, I think I'm in the shadows a little bit, so it might not be showing well. But this is a very pretty color. It is 3/4 sleeves. Very pretty. No button closures. Is it? No, it's a normal collar. I thought maybe it would stand up for a moment. That's pretty. Pockets. No back openings. Pretty. Next up, looks like a Maxi. It is. Navy by Market and Spruce, the Gabby Maxi dress. Everyone keeps sending me Maxis, and I don't wear them. Uh-oh. Alright, but check this one out. It has an opening, hopefully in the back. Yes, so this is the back. Check out the little opening in the back. That is cute. Has the little snaps. And this is the front. It does have adjustable straps, which I love. This is very pretty. It has the slits on the side. It is very long. It's pretty. Alright, last clothing item. Shorts. No, capris by Articles of Society. These are the Suzy Destructed Hem Skinny Jean. Oh, and it doesn't even say it's a crop, does it? Does it say it was a crop? It just says it's a skinny jean. Jeans? Why am I getting jeans? It's like 87 degrees outside. We do have some destruction. They are stretchy. They're nice. But it's summertime. Ugh, all right, shoes. Let's see what these shoes look like. Love shoes. These are by Diba. Let's get them both out here. They're gray. They're pretty gray. They go around the ankle. What is that? 3.5 inch heel maybe? With the buckle. I don't know. What do you guys think? I almost feel like this would be a fall transition shoe. I usually don't like to wear anything that goes around my ankle, like with dresses or summer stuff. I think they look prettier with jeans than dresses, because I always feel like this, if it goes around my ankle, it cuts off my legs, like makes me look shorter. But I do think these are pretty shoes. I like the cutouts here too. All right, that is everything. So let's see what my stylist says. Happy July, Laura. I hope you had a wonderful 4th of July celebration. My goal for your fix today was to send you some unique additions to your wardrobe that can be worn to work and beyond. Let's start with the Gabby Maxi dress. Perfect with sandals for a summer get-together. I also sent some destructed jeans by Articles of Society. How do these fit? Dress them up for work with the Asa blush blazer, the vibrant verse cross-back top, and the Diba peep toe heels. Enjoy, Cassandra. Which actually, that would be a very cute outfit. So she's talking about putting the heels on with the purple top and the blazer. I could not wear destructed jeans to work though. Can't construct those. I cannot wear those jeans to work. I cannot wear anything with holes or, yeah, they have to be no holes or anything like that in them for me to be able to wear them to work. But okay. Let's get to the try on and see how these look. I'll be right back. Okay, first outfit. I have on the blazer, the top, the jeans, and I put the sandals on as well. So first up, this blazer. Let me get so you guys can see it. It is so soft. It does have little slits here at the sleeves. And this feels like a super soft cardigan. That's how nice it feels on. I actually really like it. I think it would dress up any outfit for work. I see a string. We won't pull, but I do see a string here. It has the little pockets here. They're sewn shut, but there is pockets. I think the color is very pretty. Hopefully you guys can see this color. It is a blush, but it's a bright blush. It stands out quite nicely, I think. And then I have it on with the distressed jeans, which I would not be able to wear to work, but are very nice. Articles of Society do tend to fit well. They have some nice stretch to them. They're just distressed at the bottom as well, all the way around. And I put them on with these sandals. So the heel is a nice height. It is higher. I'd say it's pushing 4 inches, so it's probably 3.5. Has the nice little cutouts on the side. Looks nice with jeans. So I do like the shoes that come up to the ankle when I do have pants on or a longer skirt. Alright, so this top, which I think is adorable, is next. I love this print. I think the colors in it are so pretty with the different purples and even the bright yellow that stands out. Even has the orange. Super pretty, a nice length, a little bit longer in the back, I think. Very pretty, and then you can see the crisscross detail. Loving this pattern. Okay, let's do the Maxi. Okay, so here is the Maxi dress. Very pretty. I'm loving the back of it. Check this out, the little crossover. I like the elastic waist, creates that definition. It does have little side slits here. I put it on with flats to see if it would be too long. It actually just skims my toes, but it might be pushing it, so I probably would need something with a little bit more heel height just to be safe. But it's a cute dress. Closer look. It does have the adjustable straps, which I love, but I just love the back of this. I almost wish it was shorter. All right, let's talk pricing. So what did you guys think? So all 5 items were $364, and the buy all discount would be $91, and everything would then come to $273 total. I do the style pass, which is $49. You pay one time, and then you don't pay the $20 styling fee every time. So I have no styling fee to deduct from this. Okay, first up, the Articles of Society Suzy Destructed Jeans, $68. Very cute jeans. I like them. They fit really well. Very soft. I'm not sure I need them right now. In the fall, I probably would have been on board for them. The heels, which I think I forgot to bring back down. One moment. Okay, that would be these, which I think are very cute. I also feel like they would be fall. They're the Diba Ina Suede Heel, $90. Yikes. I'm not sure about them. What did you guys think? I feel like, once again, if I would have got them in the fall, I'd be more inclined to keep them. They're a maybe at the moment. Next up is the Verse Caril back detail top. That was this one. That's the back. I love this. It feels cheery. It fit nicely. I really liked it. I'm leaning towards keeping this. And that one was $40. The Market and Spruce Gabby knit dress, $78. I'm not sure about this. I really don't wear Maxis. I like it. I think it's pretty. It fit nicely. I wish it was a summer dress, like a short one, right to the knee. So I'm leaning towards no. The Skies Are Blue Aza Modal Knit Blazer. This is $88. I do like this, and I could wear this into the fall. It'd be great in the office in air conditioning. I like this. This was $88. It's so soft, and I love the color. I'm leaning towards a yes towards that one. All right, so let me know if you had a favorite. Is there anything in this box you thought was a definite keeper? Please comment below and let me know. I will list all these items down below in case you want to request any of them from your stylist. I will put my referral link down below as well in case you want to give Stitch Fix a try. Thank you for spending some time with me and the sidekicks, who are now panting because it's pretty hot out here today. So thank you so much. Please consider hitting that like button, and I would love it if you would hang out with us for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.